Greetings, Iran enthusiasts! Welcome back to Radina Travel YouTube channel. In our last exploration, we uncovered the complexities of Iranian visa applications with Radina Travel. Today, we embark the different journey focusing on visa process of American, Canadian, and British citizens traveling to Iran. Before we begin, ensure you hit the like button and subscribe to Radina Travel Company channel in order to access numerous Iran tourism focused content. I mentioned in the previous video that these nationalities need to collect their Iran visa from the Iranian embassy as getting it on arrival impossible. There is no Iranian embassy in the US, and the ones in Canada is closed. Therefore, I'll teach you how to get an Iranian tourist visa. For citizens of the US, Canada, and the UK, the solo journey to Iran is off the table. Instead, travel agencies based in Iran can help travelers in this regard. These agencies not only navigate the visa application, but also arrange your tailor-made tour. An essential requirement for travelers from these countries is the accompaniment of a certified tour guide. Given the time-intensive nature of obtaining an Iranian tourist visa for these three nationalities, we recommend making your travel arrangement at least 3 months in advance. The process includes planning an itinerary, booking accommodation, arranging internal transportation, and ensuring you have a certified tour guide and a driver. Let's break down the 2 essential steps to secure your Iranian tourist visa uniquely with Radina Travel Company. Step 1. Obtaining the Iran Tourist Visa Authorization Number. To obtain the Iran Tourist Visa Authorization Number, you can contact Radina Travel Co., our trusted travel agency. We will apply for an authorization number on your behalf from the Iranian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. This code acts as approval for your visa application. Start the process by sending us a filled-out Iranian visa form, a digital image of the first page of your passport, a digital personal photo, a comprehensive resume. Your resume has to include detailed information about your current and previous education and work background, as well as your travel history in the past 3 years. Radina Travel Co. will submit your visa application. It may take 30 to 60 days to receive the authorization number. Hold off on purchasing your flight ticket until you have visa authorization code. Step 2. Presenting or mailing the documents to the embassy. Once supplied with the visa authorization code, stay in touch with the embassy throughout. You have to send them your documents such as your passport with at least 6 months of validity, your visa authorization code, your passport photo, cash payment, and return envelope. The Iran visa fee for US citizens is $66 with an expedite option for an additional 99 USD. Canadians share the same fee structure, while British citizens face a visa fee of £165. Americans and Canadians can mail or present documents to the Iranian interest section of the Pakistan Embassy in Washington, D.C. British citizens can personally visit the Iranian consulate in London. Remember, all the 3 nationalities can present necessary documents to any Iran embassy globally and collect their hard copy of the Iran visa. Stay tuned for more special travel tips and information right here on Radina Travel Co. See you soon!